Hey, is your Discord camera not working during calls or video chat? Yeah, that can be super annoying, especially if you're trying to stream or meet with friends. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Discord camera issues in 2026. Let's get it sorted. First, make sure your camera is properly connected. If it's external, check the cable and USB port. For laptops, ensure your built-in camera isn't blocked by privacy covers or settings. Next, restart Discord. And if that doesn't work, restart your computer. Sometimes a fresh start resolves temporary glitches with the camera. Open Discord. User settings, arrow, voice, and video. Make sure the correct camera is selected under Camera. Sometimes Discord defaults to the wrong device. Make sure Discord has permission to access your camera. On Windows, go to Settings, Arrow, Privacy, Arrow, Camera, Arrow. Allow apps to access camera and ensure Discord is enabled. On Mac or mobile, check app permissions in Settings. If another app is using your camera, Discord may not be able to access it. Close apps like Zoom, Teams, or camera software, then try again. Outdated camera drivers can also cause problems on Windows. Open Device Manager, Cameras, right-click your camera, Update Driver. Mac users should check for system updates. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall Discord. A fresh install often fixes stubborn camera issues and resets settings to default. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your Discord camera working again. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.